Bonjour, baddies. Welcome back to another video. Today's first question is: Maria buys computer discs at a price of $4 for $5 and sells them at a price $3 for $5. How many computer discs must she sell in order to make a profit of $100? So basically, we can calculate how much she is charging for one disc versus how much she bought them for one disc, and then see how much net profit she makes from each disc, and then use that to divide. So what I'm saying is, since it's $3 for $5, that means that each one is 5/3, minus, since it's $4 for $5, it's 5/4, which is equivalent. Then, if you simplify, least common multiple, but multiply by 3, so 15, multiply by 4, so 20, 5/12. And since she is charging 5/12 extra for each one, we can use 100 to divide 5/12 to find out how many discs she has to sell in order to make a net profit of $100. So 100 divided by a fraction is multiplying as reciprocal. 12 bits, equivalent to 20. So then 240 discs. Might as well add the discs too. See. Smiley face. That's a nose. Okay. Moving on to problem number 2. At the beginning of a trip, the mileage odometer read 56,200 miles. The driver filled the gas tank with 6 gallons of gasoline. During the trip, the driver filled its tank again with 12 gallons of gasoline when the odometer read 56,560. At the end of the trip, the driver filled the tank again with 20 gallons of gasoline. The odometer read 57,060. To the nearest tenth, what was the car's average miles per gallon for the entire trip? So there's something to watch out for here. It's asking how much gasoline the driver used for the entire trip, not how much gasoline he filled the tank with. So that means that the first gallon fill that he did doesn't actually count, because he only used the 12 and the 20. He didn't actually use the 6 was before the trip started, so that doesn't count. So it's kind of trippy, but we're basically only looking for the 12 and the 20 here as the actual gallons of gasoline that we're going to use in the division. So since it was 56,200 to 56,560, that is a jump of 360. And since from 560 to 57,060, that is a 500 jump, so 500 plus 360, which is 860. So it's 860 to 32. So since we're going to divide it to find the average miles per gallon. So when we divide 860, we can simplify first. Okay, so simplify 30 for 30, 16, simplify again, 215 to 8. So we're dividing 215 and 8 just to make the job easier. 2, 16, 4, 5, 55. Since 6/8 is 48, 7, point times 2, 0, 0. 8/8 is 64, 6, 0. Now 7/8, just 56. Since it's a 7 is greater than 5, and it's asking for the nearest tenth, so we don't need to go any further. Since the hundredths place is over 5, we add 1 onto the tenths place, so 26.9. MPG? Miles per gallon? I don't really know what the acronym's supposed to be, but, we're just going to say it's MPG for now. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye-bye!